Hello class. Today I'm going to be giving you instructions on how to complete your homework. So if you all open your books to page 35, and so page 35, 8-1, you're going to incorporate the new letter N, Y, G, and J. So on page 35, 8-1, you're going to complete the homework exercise on multiple characters. So it's the initial side, so you're going to write with your left hand. And so we've got 8-1, 3 times perfect each row. So I'm going to write the very first row is going to be, okay, let me just get this going up. You've got T, P, H, N, K, W. So take your time. R, Y, T, K, P, W, G, S, K, W, R, J. So that's how you're going to write that. So I'm going to check it. Let's go back to the top, and I'm going to check T, P, H, N, K, W, R, Y, because that's my new Y, is K, W, R, T, K, P, W, G is my new T, K, P, W, S, K, W, R, J. So that's 1 time perfect, so I'm going to write it again, because I have to write it 3 times perfect. So I'm going to write, just to let me know where to start from, T, P, H, N, K, W, R, Y, T. Remember, you all will go slow, that's okay. K, P, W, G, S, K, W, R, J. So I'm going to check it again, start to my PF, and then I'm going to go through the book. T, P, H, N, because that's my new N, K, W, R, Y, T, K, P, W, G, S, because that's my new G, S, then you've got K, W, R, J. Perfect. So I'm going to write it 1 more time because I have to write it 3 times, okay? PF to let me know where to start from. And so we've got T, P, H, N, K, W, R, Y, T, K, P, W, G, S, K, W, R, J. Okay? I'm just going fast, but that's because I know how to write these. But you all, it's okay to go slower. Just take your time and do it right. So I'm going to check the last one. T, P, H, N, K. And then do I have a misstroke? K. I think I do. So I have T, P, H, N, T, P, H, N, K. And look, I put a W, so I have to start all over. So I go back down to the bottom, PF, 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 to let Monica know that I've made a mistake. And here I'm going to go again. T, P, H, N, K, W, R, Y, T, K, sorry, I heard a noise. T, K, P, W, G, S, K, W, R, J. So let me see. So I'm going slower so I don't have to redo this again. So it's T, P, H, N, K, W, R, Y, T, K, and then we've got, so I have a misstroke because I hit a PW and it was supposed to be P by itself. And I kind of felt that. So I have to start all over again, you all. Okay, and here we go. T, P, H, N, K, W, R, Y, T, K, P, W, G, S, K, W, R, J. So I know I made a mistake down here. I'm trying to get my 3rd row perfect. So I'm going to start T, P, H, N, K, W, R, Y, T, K, P, W. No, you don't want any little other letters appearing. G, that's my new G, S, K, W, R, J, and I'm done with that row. You have to write each row 3 times perfect. So make sure you do that. And then I'm going to go on to 8-2, finish up the whole exercises there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows, and some of them are incorporating the vowels. 8-2, page 36. I would get my pencil ready. And it says 3 times perfect. Sorry, 3 times perfect each column. So it's nag through nip. Go in your book and mark it. Nag through nip, gap through got. You've got get through jab. You've got job through yell. And mark your book, and you're going to write them all up until dog through far, the second column as well. Remember, English portion is on the left side. Right side of that is how your steno note should look, okay? So write the columns lightly, please, you all. You don't want to be having to do redos. It's a lot of work. Just follow my instructions and follow it. It's easier for the ladies to grade. So I'm going to start PF because I'm going to start over. And so I'm going to write nag through nip. So I'm going to write 3 times perfect each column. Nag, knob, net, nut, nip. Okay? And so I have it 1 time. And I'm going to write it again because I think I wrote them correctly. Only I'm doing that way. You all check it. Nag, knob, net, nut, nip. Okay? And so I'm going to check my work. And so I've got nag, knob, checking it with my book. Notice that knob is just N-O-B, and then it gives you the spelling in with the K. But you all should all be in steno here. You've got, after knob, net. You've got nut and nip. So I'm going to check it again. Nag, knob, net, nut, and nip. So one more time because I have to have 3 perfect columns. So I'm going to start nag, knob, net, nut, nip. Check it. Nag, knob, net, nut, nip. I'm done with that first group of words. I could complete extra ones if I wanted to, just in case I made a mistake, if you have time, or I could keep going. Okay, so I'm going to stop there, but you all mark your books into the columns of how they're broken up in your homework sheet. Very, very important, okay? I don't want you all getting redos. Page 37, we go on. And notice you're only going to write the first column 3 times perfect. They're broken up for you. So get your pencils. You're going to write fed through map. Mark it all through. And it's only the first column. You're going to end with wad. That's it. But I marked fed through map. So I'm going to write PF to let them know I'm starting over. Fed, fill, fog, fat, map. Okay. So I'm going to check it. And so I'm going to go fed, fill, fog, fat, map. So that's 1 time perfect. I'm going to write it again because I have to have 3 perfect columns, little groups of words. So fed, fill, fog, fat, map. Check it. And it starts with fed. So here I am. Fill, fog, fat, map. Perfect. So I'm going to go 1 more time. Here it goes. Fed, fill, fog, fat, map. Check it. Fed, fill, fog, fat, map. Perfect. So I'm done with that one and I keep going on. Check your work. Complete extras if you'd like. Have your homework sheet right by your side. It's in Blackboard. Remember, I don't know if y'all have older homework sheets, some of you, but this is the current one. It's in Blackboard. Blackboard. So print it out and it shows you exactly how everything should be broken up. And then I also explain it. Okay? And that's it, you all. So just take your time, complete extras if you'd like. It only makes you better. And check your work. Very, very important. Make sure this is in steno and not English. Okay? That's it, you all. Have a great day.